Jeep has revealed the production-ready Rubicon 392. It is pretty much the 392 concept you met back in the summer. There are some differences, starting with the 6.4-liter, 392 cubic inch naturally aspirated Hemi V8 under the hood. It's the same engine from the concept, but power is up from 450 horsepower to 470 horsepower. Torque is also up to 470 foot-pounds, which Jeep says is enough for the Wrangler to reach 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. It will do the quarter mile in 13 seconds flat. The engine is connected to an 8-speed auto with paddle shifters, a first for Wrangler, and it breathes through an active exhaust system that opens valves automatically under full throttle or manually at the driver's choice. Torque Reserve is type of launch control for the on-pavement launches that allows the Rubicon 392 to make the move of solid pavement grip, accessible during a brake torque launch. A-max shifting makes the most of engine torque and cog swaps, and if that sounds familiar, it's also used on the Hellcat-powered Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. It also benefits from a 2-inch increase in ride height. The frame rails are upgraded, and it utilizes an upgraded suspension with unique geometry, Fox shocks, upper control arms, and heavy-duty brakes. It comes standard with 33-inch tires and beadlock-capable 17-inch wheels. And as a result, Jeep says the approach, departure, and breakover angles are improved. The Rubicon 392 gets a full-time select-track 4-wheel drive system with a 2.72 low-range gear ratio. 4 selectable modes include 4-wheel drive auto, 4-wheel drive high, neutral, and 4-wheel drive low. Dana 44 axles, front and rear, have thicker axle tubes. And for sticky off-road situations, electronic locking differentials and an electric disconnect for the front sway bar are still there. We expect to see pricing information closer to the 392's on sale date, which comes sometime in the first quarter of next year.